leaving the hotel now here in Fort Myers. I'm rested. I feel great. Top of the world. Sunny, finally, out of Hartford, Connecticut. Thankfully. So no longer freezing my butt off. Today's customer's Frank. So Frank, you're gonna be seeing me soon, buddy. But I am so happy. So happy to finally be where it's not freezing cold though. What is up, guys? I am here. Frank's car is beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this beautiful torch red here, and yeah, so.
Look at those ears. No,
No, you're not a kid, you rabbit. You're a rabbit, baby. You got a frog on your head.
You just gotta sit up a little bit more. Turn your tongue.
You too cute. You too cute, baby. We are finished. We are done. It is time to leave, and it's time to head towards Tampa. He is amazing. This car was amazing. Came out beautiful. Gotta open the other door, right? Can't have it not have both doors up. Both doors. Two. Get my ears. Get my ears. My door ears. Ah.